For today's video, Corsair reached out looking to sponsor a video about their new streaming-focused Vengeance pre-built lineup, more specifically the A4100. So I thought the best way to showcase these systems was see how easy it is to get a noob, aka Anna, streaming for the very first time using one of these pre-builds. Now, this is a sponsored video, so it's not going to be a review or like a guide on how to get streaming, but more, how easy is it to start your road to embarrassing yourself on the internet?
Do you think it's on?
So, what you got there?
This is a package from Corsair, and I'm supposed to start streaming with it. Moment of truth. That was awful. How do I box cut badly? This is ridiculous. Who knew that was even possible? Ooh, thank you for choosing Corsair Vengeance PC.
Look at that, this is really important for you.
Unpacking instructions. Hey, they're unpacking instructions. That's awesome. First, remove power cables. Power cables.
Here, let me just take that.
I'm so smooth. Okay, and then we have the two little Wi-Fi antennas. Take that off. Take that out. Put that back on, and then a whole bunch of stuff, which we'll deal with later.
Look at that packaging. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, you lost.
Upside down.
Oh yeah, you lost some dust filter over there. Do you need some help? Now, while Anna very rudely checks her phone, let's just have a look here, because that is a very exciting addition for a streaming PC. That is actually an Elgato capture card, so we'll get more into that a bit later.
Hey, this is kind of good looking.
Yeah. That is also a really good sign. That's really good packing material to have inside a PC.
Whew. No, I lost it. Okay, I got it. Do you like how hardcore I am that I don't even need a screwdriver?
I mean, they are thumb screws.
Oh, is that what a thumb screw means?
No, thumb screw means you definitely need a screwdriver. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. You got some AIO tubing going there.
Little snake.
Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Look at that. Before we let Anna carry on with her first adventure in streaming, let's have a closer look at this PC that Corsair sent over, because it doesn't look like a pre-built. It looks like a system that I built. Specs-wise, we've got an AMD Ryzen 7 3700X under there. We've got 16 gigs of DDR4 3200 megahertz, and there's none of that single channel nonsense in a Ryzen system that I've been seeing so much of in pre-builds. Graphics card wise, we've got an RTX 2070 Super. This is what looks like an MSI Ventus card. And then it's got 120mm AIO for the CPU. There are 3 fans in the front here, and they're obviously RGB, so that's going to look awesome through the front panel. That has a really big gap for airflow in here. And then, for streamers, this is a pretty big deal. The fact that this comes with a 4K capture card in it. That is really cool. It means you can easily hook up a high-end camera to get some crispy talking headshots. Storage-wise, it's got a 480 gig NVMe SSD, and it's got a 2TB hard drive somewhere down there. The power supply, it's actually got an RM750 in it, and I love the RM series. I've actually been buying RM series power supplies for my personal PCs for ages now, so that's, again, really good. Remember, if you break, you buy.
Do you think it's on?
Okay, we're good. Nothing happened there. We're fine. Okay. And then what's next?
To plug it in. So I'm guessing we need a screen.
Using the Wi-Fi is a little bit savage, but it is really nice having the option, especially considering that we don't have our new apartment Ethernet wired yet.
Look at that skill.
Oh yeah, you're really good at twisting things into holes. Oh. Have you ever plugged a PC in before?
Not really, no.
Okay.
I've always had you do it.
Yeah, exactly, right?
I mean, why wouldn't I? Okay, so I've got to just essentially play Tetris.
Yeah, but look at this cable connection.
Ooh, ow, monitor. Right? Monitor? No. Oh, crap. I mean, darn. Great progress. I have plugged the mouse in.
Oh wow, that's a good job. That's a very professionally plugged in mouse.
Thank you. I thought so too. Power supply.
Oh.
PC. And it goes in the big one. The big hole.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh god, sorry. Okay. Should we power it on?
I think you should plug.
The display port.
Yeah. So plug the plug the PC into the monitor, and then plug the keyboard in.
Oh, there. Goes here.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've just unplugged these, and I'm gonna make this better. Cause I'm gonna loop it through here.
Oh.
And then it's gonna like be all neat.
That cable management.
Dope. Okay, now I have to plug it in. Power.
Did you plug the?
Oh.
You just need to turn the power supply
I need
on.
it. Yeah.
Just absolute nightmare. It
Rookie
happens
error.
every time.
Yes.
You actually still have a bunch of stuff to plug in though.
What?
Over here. Look, you've got your streaming stuff. So we've got a webcam there. We're actually not gonna use the capture card in the system today because I only have one camera and we're filming with it. So we're gonna use that guy, and then you need your headphones and your microphone as well. There you go. Oof.
I'm gonna feel like a customer relations person.
You're supposed to feel like a streamer, Anna.
Sorry. Right.
You actually don't need to have the headphones on while you're doing this.
Logi experience. Oh, that's this guy.
Yeah, that's the webcam. So you can kind of like figure out the framing with OBS so that you can actually like see what it's seeing.
If you go here, intro to streaming. I can watch that.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, they have a guide.
Start streaming. Oh, that's awesome. I actually need to watch that considering the quality of my streams.
Yeah.
Scroll down, learn the basics. How to set up your streaming PC. Oh, it's a 3-minute video. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, it's the PC we have. Yeah.
Okay, so they've told me to check my audio settings to see if the output is being picked up.
Yeah, so that's your headphones. Those are the headphones, the speakers. I mean, we know they're working because you can hear.
Okay, so it says open the camera app.
Oh, terrible lighting. We'll sort that out in a bit. Yeah, pro tip, have your key light behind your head. That always works well.
So wait, you can stream console games?
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why it's so cool that this PC comes with a capture card pre-installed.
Oh.
Is you don't need to buy anything else.
Oh, okay, I need to install OBS now.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
But try OBS Streamlabs as opposed to Studio. And we're going to be streaming to Twitch, so you can...
I even know that's the purple one.
Oh yeah, we actually need to sign up. We need to make you an account.
Ooh.
You can do Anna does streaming, maybe?
Okay.
So what we're gonna do now is we have to set up the scene for the stream. No, because you're a beginner and we just had many ridiculous takes of this. We're gonna have a very basic scene. So all we want is your webcam set up and the game showing. So now I think let's click go live and see what happens. I mean, again, I just want to remind everyone this is not a guide on how to get streaming.
We have reached a...
And that is awesome. Okay, and then game-wise, we're gonna do just CSGO. Yes, there we go. And then, oh, you don't need tags, it's fine. Loser! Are we live?
Oh my god. How many viewers do I have?
0! Yeah, I think the loser tag was appropriate.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, so now we need to go into the game. Look at that, we've got Anna streaming.
I died.
It's a warm-up round, so you respawn.
Dope, but I killed someone, hey?
Oh, you did?
Yeah, look.
Oh no, you just helped. You just did damage to someone. But that's not bad. That's pretty good.
I shot them. Okay. So good at this. Enemy sticks. Oh! Oh, I could have shot him. Damn. Darn. I feel so bad for my teammates. Yeah, it is 2 minutes. Flashbang? Where? There. Oh my gosh. I'm like following the team. Oh, goodness. I see people.
So, how was your first attempt at streaming?
It was super fun. I'm super bad at CSGO, but the whole streaming setup was very noob friendly. The fact that when I turned on the computer and started the page, that there was actually a guide in the start menu to a link with a video that explained how to set it up and set up all the streaming shenanigans was super helpful because I would never have been able to do that without it. So
yeah, the OBS part, like the software part, is always the hardest. Like setting up you don't even have to build it, right? So that's really easy. But yeah, the software is a pain in the butt.
I still don't think I know how to do it fully, but like I managed to get live, and that's all that's really important.
Yeah, to be fair, I don't know how to either, and I've been streaming for months.
Exactly, and like surely with experience and as you stream more, you'll get to know the software better. But I could stream, and that's cool. If you want to check out this PC, there are links to it below, which you should click on and look at. And till the next video, bye!